Hey, Mark the Meerkat Suffering here at freeonline tradingeducation.com, brought to you by Grok Trade, and we're here to talk about an ascending triangle today. Well, the Olympics are over. Wow, what a sight that was. Let's take a look at a trade we had in the GrokStar room this morning on Facebook, FB. Here it was looking right, what it looked like right after opening. It ran up, did a pullback, and now it's doing a ascending triangle where it keeps having resistance here at the 69.90 area, just underneath the $70 level. If you want to know more about a ascending triangle, go to our site, freeonline tradingeducation.com, to our free chart school, and then look under ascending triangle. There's a description of it, and then here is a picture of it where it runs up and it's getting tighter and tighter, and there's a solid horizontal line of resistance there. So that's what we were having here in Facebook, just underneath the $70 level. So I told folks, let's set a trade right up at $70. If it breaks out from this high base, we want it to be long. All right, let's see what happened next. It's starting to go boom, there she goes, and I did get long at $70.06 on Facebook. And then it pulled back, and I was a little bit underwater for a moment, but it pulled back to where? That $70 level, and that was acting as support along with this 8 EMA exponential moving average. This is a 1-minute chart. All right, we're having a little patience here, and then all of a sudden there she goes. This is nice, and this is a nice patience trade now. We've been moving our stop now. We'll move it underneath this 20 moving average, give it a little bit of room to pull back. It was high basing here right at the 70 area, and then it took off again. And now it's bumping up its head against 71 even dollar amount. And it kept bumping and bumping and bumping, so I decided I was going to take out half, and I did right on this candle as it exploded up. Got out at $70.99 for 1.3% on the first half. Still long, and then started to pull back, and I'm keeping my stop right here at the 20 moving average, and there it closed below it, and I got out at $70.80 for 1.0% on the second half. So let's see what happened here. We had an ascending triangle, and it broke out above the $70 resistance line. I got long, and it hung along that for a while, and then it took off, hitting its head down the $71 area. So this total trade was for the 1.15% in 37 minutes. Wow. If you want to learn to trade better, we are having some webinars in the evening and one in the afternoon coming up here. We have it's on trading foundations. It's about a 30-minute presentation, and we're going to have one this Wednesday night. That is on the 26th of February at 9 o'clock on Eastern Time. And you can go ahead and register by just clicking this and going ahead to register. Hey, if you can be in front of the market during the day, we do have one at midday, of course, this Friday at 1 o'clock, again, Eastern Time. And go ahead, click here, and you can register for it there. Well, this is Mark the Meerkat Suffering. Hey, just remember that anything can happen. So we need to be prepared, both mentally, physically, and electronically. Trade well.